Hello guys, we are at Winchester. Here comes the stock for the 1449 service to Southampton Central. Calling at Shawford, Eastleigh, Southampton Airport Parkway and Southampton Central. This service is Formula 450. The other PA came on as well. So it's going to be hard to know which is going to come in first. I guess it'll be the one over there. And as well coming in will be the 1448 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, calling at Woking and London Waterloo. Here comes 450. It's this one first. It's 450 what? 010. Oh. Here's 450 100. What 110? What 110? Ah. 450 100 forming the 1449 South Western Railway service to Southampton Central. Haven't seen that unit before. And annoyingly, we're not going to be able to get the numbers of the 1448 to Waterloo either, because this is due to leave. This is due to leave about a minute after. Annoyingly. There goes this door. And there you go, that's what I mean when they all close at once. How pleasing is that? Here comes 1448 service to Waterloo. This will be formed of a double 444. You might be able to see it through the window here. Oh, okay. 44041 in the lead. Saw it through a window. Cool. Ah! 119. I sort of wish this left first. I kind of wish this one left first, so we could get the other one leaving.
This train has 4 carriages. Okay, sir. Just as you are.
Yeah, I'm fine, thanks.
Yeah, okay. This is Southampton Central.
That's alright. That's interesting. This is always film. If I point it down, then anyone notices that we're not getting on. Here goes the other one. That's the 1448 service to London Waterloo. And this is also about to leave. This is 450 100, forming the 1449 South Western Railway service to Southampton Central. Hi. And that's it.